Guys, this is my review on the Citadel bamboo katana. This is the actual box that it came in. As you can see, it's a pretty long box, and it actually came with a wooden cylinder that was holding the katana, so it's pretty sturdy, so it doesn't get, crushed or bent. This is the actual bag it came in. Like a warning sign that says beware of sharp contents. But a pretty nice sword case, or bag rather. Inside this little pouch, let me go ahead and open this up. These are just the small bamboo pins that hold the blade in place in its handle. And again, I'm not an expert with katanas, so excuse my wording if it's not 100% correct. These are handmade. I believe they're actually forged in Cambodia. And it actually shows you the month and year that the katana was forged. There's actually a video online that shows you how they forge the blades and make them. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and show you guys. This is another katana that I'll compare it to. And again, I'm doing this with one hand, so I apologize if there's a lot of movement on this. I actually saw a video by a guy. He has a video on his YouTube page showing his Citadel Ocean katana. His name is Brett. Really convinced me to actually purchase this. So I mean the workmanship. I mean it is a top quality katana. I've got. Oh, I actually forgot to show you in this little pouch here. I actually have the. This comes with them. Go ahead and put this on the side. I mean, I've felt the cheap $100 katanas you could buy at your local mall or anywhere, and I mean there's a big difference. You can tell. I mean the quality that they use on this is top notch. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on a stand so you guys can see a little better too. Now this is the bamboo katana. You can see the Suba, and she has like a image carved in it of the I think they're bamboo flowers or something. And this is all hand forged, and they make these Subas by hand. I know the Subas alone sell for a couple $100. This katana itself is priced at Citadel for $2,799. And was able to get a pretty good deal on it, but it was still pretty expensive. So you can tell right here. I mean, this is all handmade. It looks beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and unsheath it. There's a little bit of oil on it. That's probably what you see. Again, I just got this recently, so I haven't had a chance to remove the oil that came on it and clean it up a little bit better. The video really doesn't do this any justice. I mean, it just looks so great. I mean, it feels, you could tell the difference when holding it compared to a cheap $100 katana, or even a $200 or $300, $400 katana. There is a huge difference between this and that. I'm going to go ahead and set it down on the stand so you can kind of see a little bit better. Now this other katana that I have in the box, it's actually also a very nice katana made by Paul Chen's company. This is called the Paul Chen Praying Mantis Katana, and the steel it's made out of is it's called L6, I believe it's pronounced bainite steel. This katana actually sells for, I believe it's $1,799, so it's not a cheap katana by any means. I mean, even though I got a pretty good deal on it, I still spent quite a bit on it. It is a very nice katana, also very good quality. But you could still tell some differences between this basically $1,800 katana and the Citadel katana. Now the steel in the Citadel katana, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe it's made out of a high carbon 1095 steel, but again, I could be wrong. I'll have to check on that. So some of the differences you can tell. Again, also a very nice katana. Let me go ahead and see if I can unsheath this with one hand and kind of show you some of the differences. Sorry guys. Again, I'm trying to do this with one hand, so it's kind of hard. If you look right here by the Tsuba, you can see this is actually machine made. And again, it's a very good quality. It's not bad or cheap or loose. They did a really great job on this as well. But it's not handmade like the Citadel katana is. If you look here, you can actually see these are actually handmade and pressed in by hand, each one of these notches, where the other one is almost like a made by a machine. So even some of these other high-end katanas, I mean, there's a difference. The way that this Praying Mantis katana fits into the scabbard, I mean, it's not a really perfect fit like the Citadel katana's fit is. The Citadel katana, it just fits perfectly. It's flawless the way it goes into its scabbard. Here's the blade on this. This is the L6 bainite steel Praying Mantis katana. And again, I really do enjoy this one as well. So I'm going to set that down. So this is it. I'll probably make maybe a better video. I just kind of wanted to share this, just kind of show you what the Citadel bamboo katana looks like. And I mean, when you hold it, it's just, the balance is really good too. It's actually listed as a light and fast sword, and it is. I mean, the difference between holding this and the L6 bainite steel Praying Mantis katana, it's a huge difference. It's very light, but you know, it doesn't feel flimsy or cheap like a lot of other katanas do. So, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll try and make a better one later. And thanks for looking.